Power washing pro here in the flesh, man. What y'all up to? I'm getting ready to do a walk around of my truck for the first time. I've never done it before. People have asked me to do this quite often, and I've yet to do it. I believe I've done a walk around on my trailer, but I'm gonna do a walk around on my flatbed. Check this out. Uh-oh, fire department will roll up on these dudes burning. They burning. It's too windy out here. Neighbor next door. Let's check them out. Got them over there. Not one of them speak English. Not one of them speak English, man. Ice might show up around this bad boy. These people, they probably didn't even pull a daggone permit over here. I'm telling you, they've been cutting trees and stuff like that, man, for a month and a half. Fire department over there. Somebody about to get a big ass fine. Oh no, man. That's the second person. Well, two people actually walked by and was like, "Man, it's kind of a windy day to be burning." I'm like, "Man, telling me." I was out here washing my trucks and cars and stuff. I couldn't even function, man. I had to go in for a minute, and then the wind shifted. They probably gonna make them put it out. And you got to check with the local folks, man. If you're gonna start burning trees and wood, stuff like that, man. A lot going on in the world, man. All right, I'm gonna do a walk around in my trailer. This is a 2012 F350 Super Duty flatbed dually. It's got the dual tires on the back. This is my go-to. It does everything I needed to do. It pulls like it ain't nothing back there, and I love it. It's got a 2 or 3 stage turbo in it. I'm not sure which one. I don't know. Whatever. I don't get it all that, but I know this sucker run. You know what I mean? But anyway, we're gonna start out. I just got the standard 18-inch steel eagle reels on here, man. This is about 150 feet of water hose supply line, man. And this actual hose is Goodyear. This stuff is indestructible. You know, I'm a proponent of buying stuff one time only. I had regular hoses that you get from Lowe's or Home Depot and stuff like that, man, but they didn't hold up for me. They were heavy. They would get kinked and all that kind of stuff, and I found myself replacing them. So I was introduced to this hole by a power washing veteran. So I jumped on it, man. They're a little pricey, but once I bought 150 feet per reel. I believe I have 4 hose reels. I bought 150 times 4. I was done. I haven't bought a hose since. They don't leak. They don't kink. They don't do any of that stuff, man. But anyway, that's the hose reel. Then right here, I just got this is a 100-gallon water tank or buffer tank. This is all I need for this flatbed, man. It's compact, so I got a 100-gallon buffer tank here. Then I got a 65-gallon buffer tank there. So at any given moment, I can haul 165 gallons to go do a quick job here and there. But in most cases, I'm a ride with half of that in both of those tanks. No more than half, just on a normal day, traveling to and from one job to another. But I don't typically travel with any more than half. But anyway, you got your standard hose reel, again 18-inch. This is about 250 feet of this is probably 200 feet of one wire pressure hose. You also have another hose reel up here, which is also Goodyear Continental 18-inch. This set is Han-A. This set is Steel Eagle. Han-A reels, that's a Steel Eagle reel, I'm sorry. This is another set of Han-A reels, which I have another 200 feet of pressure hose here. And then this is my 225 feet of soft wash hose here. Let's come on around. I run 255s off this flatbed, man. Always have. It does the job. Residential is my niche. Every now and then we get some commercial stuff, but for the most part, these get it done. Right now, I'm doing a trickle charge on my batteries because it's been cold and the batteries were dead when I went to fire them up, and that's pretty normal when you sit through low freezing temperatures, man. But anyway, again, another 5.5. All right. Let's see. Oh, I forgot. Let's see. I'm running 2 Flow Pro systems on each of these, man. Again, you can get remote soap on and off up to 2,000 feet, man. Flow Pro systems, man. I've had these for years. They last. They work. Oh yeah, this is a little perk here. I keep a pit back here for each reel, just as a quick go-to. When you're in the field, it's convenient for me. That way you don't have to look for it when you have snags and clogs and stuff like that in your injector for the most part, or to change the O-ring really quick. I have a 13-gallon fuel cell right here. I had the red ones here. I didn't like it, man. It was kind of tacky to me. They worked though. Don't get me wrong. Excuse me. They worked, but it was kind of tacky for me. I needed something a little more aesthetically pleasing, if you will. So I bought this and installed this. I did all this myself, man. Put this in myself. Very simple. I keep 3 guns on the truck at all times. You know, you never know. My batteries are right there, very convenient to get to. Both of them are right there, very, very easy to get to. You know, all this stuff is easy to work on. That's why I like this layout. Some people don't like, you know, the wires and the hoses and stuff. I'm sorry, hoses hanging out right here, but I love it. It's convenient. It's easy access when it's time to change stuff out. You know what I mean? Let's see here. There we're coming up on my chemical tank. This is a 55-gallon chemical tank, man. Very simple, very basic, nothing fancy. It does the job. I'm splitting my 2 chemical lines between each machine. Each machine can draw from this tank, as well as my soft wash system when we have soft wash. I keep up, my soft wash system is down in here. You know, I keep it in there to keep it out of the elements and stuff like that. And then I also created this little rack right here so I can keep my other fuel, my backup fuel cell. And then I have my, what do you call it? My oil mix fuel for my blower, just the extra chemical tank just in case. I got my, what do you call it? The caustic soda bead, and the other one with the white top. And then my degreaser is over there. Of course, my cones are over there. That's it. You know, that's the layout of my truck. Real simple, man. Real basic setup. Nothing fancy, but guess what? Oh yeah, I forgot about my ladder rack. See my ladder rack up there? I put that on. Very simple, man. Nothing fancy. I keep a 28-inch and a 16-inch on with me at all times. That does most of my jobs. If I need a 40, I typically call in somebody else to get that done for me because I ain't going up there, you dig? Been there, done that, man. But this is it, man. Let's go inside. Of course, I got my yard signs. I keep my yard signs in there. My tools, this is my tool bag. My blower, when we're not using it, I keep it inside. When we rolling from, you know, spot to spot, house to house, job to job, I take it out, and I sit that bad boy right there. Sit it right there, and it works. It's convenient, easy access when we're going from job to job. In the meantime, I'm gonna put it back in here, and we're gonna keep it pushing. Gloves. Oh man, I bought these bad boys offline. I bought 2 pair, man. These bad boys are waterproof and they're insulated. You know, they'll keep you warm for a good hour or so, but then you'll start to feel the temperature change in them a little bit. But as far as water, your hands getting wet, 0 moisture. No water will get through these, man. I'll have to find a link so I can put it in the description so y'all will know where to get them, man. But if you want them, you got them. I always keep, you know, marketing material on deck. These are mailbox hangers. Those are mailbox hangers there. Dang, dropped them. Hold on, give me a sec. Moving too fast. Deal with that later. All right, let's go here. Driver's seat. Again, more marketing material here. But keep it on deck, man. You gotta keep that work. You gotta keep that work handy. This is it. This is my office. You know. Take a look inside. Check it out. Got the key in the ignition. Let me kill that. Boom. This is my office. Got my big guy back there. I normally keep him strapped to the seat, to the back seat, or to the back of the passenger seat. But yeah, this is my hangout, man. This is my hangout. We get it in. Yes, indeed. And you know, for the most part, that's my rig. That's my setup, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Hit a like for the algorithm. It doesn't cost you anything. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when we drop another video, man. Y'all wash on. Power Washing Pro GA. Subscribe to the channel. Peace.